If we look outside the US, there was strong performance through Europe and through Japan. It's actually quite interesting though. A lot of that performance was front loaded in the first sort of 3 months of the year. We saw really strong returns from sectors, for example, European banks that have been a perennial underperformer, driving really strong returns. But more broadly outside of Europe, European banks and Japan, the really other interesting part of markets was really emerging markets. If you look at the Korean stock market, up around about sort of 70 or 80% for the year. Asian technology names in emerging market countries performed exceptionally strongly because a lot of investors had basically hitched their wagon to the AI trade, but were looking for another way to play that. And if we looked at, some of the key contributors to what's required to build an AI data center, they are the hardware producers, in places like Korea and Taiwan that produce the GPU, the accelerator chips and the memory chips that are required. And so the stock price performance of some of those names was really strong, and they really drove really exceptional performance from emerging markets. And I think that's going to be a really interesting space to watch this year, because what we tend to see is that global investors will shy away from emerging markets for a period of time, and then all of a sudden find that the fundamentals look quite attractive. With a bit of positive performance, we may see another really strong year for emerging markets.